Did you know that over 90% of house flippers lose money on their first project? But that also means some of these homes are rushed or worse, just lipstick on a pig. Today, we're diving into what you really need to watch out for when buying a flipped home. Hi, I'm Erica McClain, your go-to real estate guide for smart sellers and savvy buyers. In today's video, we're breaking down the pros and cons of buying a flipped home, so you don't end up with a pretty disaster. Okay, let's be honest. Flip homes are like shiny toys in the real estate aisle. New kitchens, fancy floors, fresh paint. What's not to love, right? But here's the catch. Behind all that sparkle could be cut corners, cheap materials, or worse, issues that were covered up instead of fixed. And many buyers, especially first-timers, get swept up in the aesthetics without looking under the hood. You might be walking into a home that looks HGTV ready, but isn't inspection ready. And that's why we need to talk about what really matters when it comes to flipped homes. Let's start with the good stuff, because yes, there are pros. The home is move-in ready, no demo days or dusty renovations. You get updated systems, layout, and style without lifting a hammer. And if the investor did it right, you might score a great value in a rising neighborhood. But here are the cons to keep your eyes on. Some flippers work fast and cheap. Think quick cosmetic fixes over structural repairs. Permits and inspections may have been skipped. Big red flag. You could end up overpaying for upgrades that don't actually add any value to the property. And if something was hidden, like plumbing or electrical issues, you could be footing the bill later. Here's where things get real. How do you spot a good flip from a ticking time bomb? Tip number 1, ask for a full list of permits and contractor details. Tip number 2, get a thorough inspection and pay extra for specialists if needed. Tip 3, compare the flipped home to similar non-renovated homes in the area to see if the price bump actually makes sense. Tip number 4, ask questions like who flipped it? How long did the work take? Was it done by licensed professionals? Remember, a good flip should be like a great makeup job, enhancing, not hiding. So there you have it, the shiny pros and the sneaky cons, and how to protect yourself when buying a flipped home. A great flip can be a dream, just don't let it become a DIY nightmare. If this helped you feel more confident, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more real estate tips, and drop a comment if you've toured a flip home that made you go, uh-oh. I'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching. And like always, any questions, feel free to contact me. All my information is below. And check out my other videos. Hope to see you back for another one.